If you're done with Google Photos and want control over your pictures, two top self-hosted options are Immich and Synology Photos. But which one actually fits your setup and your life? Synology Photos comes with Synology NAS devices and combines photo backup with album organization. It is designed as a Google Photos alternative with privacy built in. Immich is newer and open source, built from the ground up for the mobile-first syncing and AI-powered features. Synology Photos is plug and play if you already have a Synology NAS. It works inside their ecosystem with no Docker needed. Immich requires a manual setup, typically through Docker or self-hosted servers, so it takes a bit more technical effort upfront. Now, Synology Photos handles albums, shared folders, facial recognition, but its interface feels a little dated. Immich shines with a lightning-fast upload, automatic mobile sync, and powerful search. And slick AI features like object detection and duplicate filtering. It just feels a lot more modern. Immich's app feels like Google Photos in your pocket. Smooth, clean, and smart. Synology Photos is stable and functional, but more traditional. It's ideal for organized users who want a set it and forget it setup. Choose Synology Photos if you already use a Synology NAS and want seamless backup with minimal fuss. And I'd say totally go with Immich if you're comfortable with Docker or want something cutting edge, fast, and AI powered for daily use. Both apps let you escape the cloud, and one is solid and reliable, the other is fast and evolving and exciting. It depends on your comfort level and how much control you want. Using either one, drop your setup in the comments, like if this helped, and subscribe for more no BS tech reviews. Thanks for watching.